Hello, biology students, and we're going to go over how to do a Socratic Seminar Final exam. So I've recruited some of my friends to help me out. We got Coach Saenz is going to help us out. We got the king of biology land here to help us out. We also got Pound and P, the rocker, is going to help us out. And is there one more guy? Who's the other guy out there? I think that's it. So let's dive right in. So let's go ahead and I'll open it up. What are ecosystem interactions and what are the types of ecosystem interactions? Who'd like to start us off? Okay, Mr. King Biology, go ahead. Yes, me, the king. I would like to talk about ecosystem interactions from the notebook. Competition occurs when two or more organisms attempt to use the same resource at the same place at the same time. For instance, countries that would rival for my kingdom will fight me for my kingdom in my competition, but I will not let them succeed. All right, Coach Saenz, would you like to chime in a little bit? Coach Saenz here talking about the lightning and the thunder. That's right. Symbiotic relationships. We could talk about those all day. Let's talk about competition. Like when two wrestling teams compete for the same trophy, one's going to win, the other one's going to lose. One will survive. Maybe one will immigrate in while the other ones have to emigrate out of the gym and leave because the Titans are here to take that title. Rocker, Pound and P. Hey, are you awake? Oh, yeah. What? Yeah, rock and roll. Ecosystem interactions. Yeah, I got this. Ecosystem interactions. Let me see. That's kind of like when you interact within the ecosystem, all right? And let's not forget the mad scientist, Mr. Science. Would you like to add something else in here? Or maybe just repeat something that you felt someone didn't explain to your liking?
Yes.
Yes, hello. I would love to answer this question. Symbiosis. Symbiosis in my laboratory and throughout the world occurs when two different species live closely together. Examples are clownfish and enemy, mosquito and human, shark and remora. Students should have done reports on these and do not be afraid of what you find out. Also, I'd like to talk about the three types of symbiosis. Those are, oh, okay. This is Mr. Science. Until we meet again next time. What were we talking about? What's the question again? What was the question? Rock! I think you were talking about one of the forms of symbiosis. Oh yeah, symbiosis. All right, so you have parasitism, where like a mosquito eats a human, they eat up all their blood like Dracula. Also, predation, like a wrestler could stalk another wrestler and make sure they're going to beat them and take away their resources. Maybe their mate, their girlfriends. You never know. If you're a good enough wrestler, you can take their boyfriends. There's girl wrestlers too. So that's a couple of interactions. You got predation and you got competition. Two types of ecosystem interactions. Yeah, ecosystem interactions. Like the lion and the zebra, or possibly deer and grass, which you've probably learned was herbivory. Commensalism is when one species benefits and the other receives nothing. Hey, what's the last one? What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that last one. What was it again? No, I can't hear you. Oh yeah. Yeah, mutualism. Like when everybody's getting together and it's mutual, they both kind of agree to help each other out and they both benefit. They both benefit. And that's a great thing, like a bee and a flower. Though I'm allergic to bees, man. So, but I do like flowers. I give them to my girlfriend sometimes. She digs them. She likes them. So there you go. Rock ecosystem interactions. So that's just a small example of a Socratic seminar. We can go for hours doing this. Obviously, we have a whole semester of information to cover. So there you go. Good luck next week and get her done. Go Titans and Merry Christmas.